Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn what is the mean by user filters in Tableau and what is the use of user filters. Okay, now most of the people might give answer like user filter is nothing but the like the option which we are providing to the end user to change the data in the visualization, but that is not correct. Let me go to Tableau here. Just quickly, I'm going to create a one graph like by using regions and the subcategory, and I am using the profit. Here, I am giving labels. Okay. Now, just right. So I am going to let me. Okay. Now I am going to create a dashboard. Now once I will drag the sheet into my dashboard. Now I am going to drop down and filters. I am clicking on region orders. Now most of the people, right, so they will say this filter is called as a user filter because we have given the flexibility to the end user means here whoever is using this report means client. Okay, we are providing this filter is called as a user filter because user can able to make the changes in the visualization by selecting the options which is available means data members in the filter, but that is not a correct one. This we will call it as a filter. Quick filter, we can say normally in Tableau terminology, we will call it as a quick filter. Or normally we can call it as a filter. But this is not a user filter. Okay. Normally in Tableau, user filter is used to implement the row level security. Implement the row level security. Means for example, if I am having the users like this, for each region I have to give access for 20 users. Means see here in this visualization you guys can observe here I am having all the regions central, east, if you scroll down, south and west, four regions I am having. But if see in the from the same dashboard, if user will log in, for some users, I want to give access for central region data, only this data in this dashboard. For some persons I want to give access for only east regions, for some another person south and west, same way. Now here in this example, right, so we can see for east regions I want to give for 20 users, west region 10 users, north region 5 users, and central region 50 users I want to give the access. Means whenever the users is going to log in into server to check the report, based on their uh, whatever the permissions we have given, based on that they can able to see only their related information. That is called as a row level security based on their like whatever we have given access, right? So like user login, based on their logins, whichever the whichever data we have provided for him, right, to see means to access that data, they can only able to see it. Okay. Now how we can implement that one? To implement that one, we have an option called create a user filters in Tableau. See, go if you'll go to server menu, here we have an option called create a user filter. See, by using this option, we are going to create a user filter, right? Now, what I am going to do is, see this user filter in dashboard level. Now I am in dashboard one. Okay. Now I am going to give name as a user filter dashboard. Now see, I am in a dashboard. As you are in a dashboard, you cannot able to create this. You cannot able to use this option because it is in disable. The user filters we can able to create at worksheet level. Okay. Now I am going to sheet one. Now here, if you go to server menu, there you can see create a user filter option. See, whenever the manager names are like coming from not coming from your database, the users like the 20 users, 50 users, whichever I have given the counts, right? So if those names are not coming from the database normally, then we can go with this. First of all, To achieve to use this user filters, first of all we have to create a groups in server side, because you are going to like give access for central region. For example, you are going to give for 20%, right? So first of all, what you have to do is you have to create a group in like server side Tableau server, and you have to add all those 20% into this central group. Once you will publish the dashboard, whenever you want, you can add the users. Once you will add the users into a particular group, then as per the group, as per the user filter, how you have created by using this option, automatically they can able to access only their related information. Now I am going to server. Now here I am in server. Okay, now here if you'll see the users, now the users, I am having 3 users in my Tableau server. Okay, now I am clicking on groups. Here I am having groups customer manager. Now I am going to create a groups, another group. I am going to give east name. Now I am going to create another group. Say east group is available. Add another group, west. And I am going to create a central. But okay, you can create central. Now as of now, just okay, central. Just I am clicking on create. Now I can see 5 groups. Is there five groups, and this is all users. This is a default group. Okay, these are the 5 groups which I have created. Now for now in for like to test that user filter functionality, I am going to use only central, east and west groups which I have created. Now you can see here users, like in these groups you can see users are 0 because no users is available in these particular groups. Okay, now I am going to this Tableau desktop, and here I am clicking on create a user filter. Now once I will click on it, now it is going to display all the fields which is available in my data source. Now the regions is coming from regions order, whichever the field we have used. Now user filter, now regions orders, I am clicking on it. Once you will click on it, see before that, right? So let me show you, like I am going to sign out. Either you can sign in automatically. Okay, either first you can sign in, or if you are not sign in also, no problem, just you can go to create user filter and regions, click on regions. Now automatically sign in page will come up. Once you'll click on sign in, so you need to enter your details. Now the user, with the user I am going to log in with this user. This is the admin, so just clicking B. Now here I am going to give my password. Once I will log in, it is going to open up another window. Yes, this is the window. Now this is the like the filter name whichever you are going to create. Now I am going to give name as a user filter option. Now here you can see these are the server information. The left side, whatever you are going to see, right? You are able to see user groups. These are the server side users and groups. And here members. See these members here, you can see central, east, southwest. These members are coming from this field, region orders field, whichever we have selected by going to server create user filter, right? From that option, whichever the field you have selected, this is the these are the data members it is displaying. Now here to achieve our requirement, right? So if east, uh, if some persons like 20% want to see only east related information, then what I am going to do is just whatever the group I have created in server, those groups it is displaying here, east, west and central. Sorry guys. Now I am going to select east, and once I will click on it, automatically it's enabled. If I am not selecting anything, means automatically it is going to be display east. Then I am going to select east. Means just I am, what I am doing, just I am mapping the group with the data member name. Just I am mapping this group name with this dataset member name. Now again I am going to do west, west and central, central. Okay, now I have map south. I have not done anything. Okay, but as of now I don't have any users, so I am not going to give access to anyone for south. Whenever the requirement will come, just what I'm going to do is I am going to create a group and I am going to enable it. If you don't want to do that one, then first only, right? So initially you can create a south group and you can mention. Okay, just for example purpose, just I haven't used south. So for example, if you guys want, right, so you guys can create another group here. If you don't want to change workbook again in the user filter, then you can create a south initially itself. Then you can go to Tableau desktop. Here, just what you have to do is you have to reset it. Just let me close this one. South is not coming, right? Just cancel it. Just again go to server, create user filter, and then select region orders. Now it is going to open it. Let it be south is available or not. No, still it's not showing. Let me sign out and sign in again. Server, sign out again, create a user filter, orders, click on connect. Now again I am logging in. Now we can able to see south group also, whichever we have created. Yeah, now here we can see south also available. Now west I am mapping, south, east region, central region. Okay, now you can see tick marks, right? Now I am clicking on OK. Once you will click on OK, now here user filter option I am giving name. This option you can use anything, guys. It's not a problem. It's name of the field. Okay, now I am clicking on OK. Once I will click on OK, now here you can see under under sets we are getting this user filter option. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just I am dragging this set and I am keeping in filters. So once it will display, now see automatically the data is not appearing here. Now what I'm going to do is just I am, if you'll go to dashboard also, data is not going to display. Now I am going to click on server, then publish workbook. Means I am going to publish the workbook to see how it is going to work out. Now here, now here, right? So I am going to give a name for like user filter. My workbook name user filter, and here I am going to select only dashboard, and here you have to see, you have to select a thumbnail as a user. Either you can select any group or something. Okay, now I am going to select like region, west region, something. You can select anything, guys. Now I am going to publish it. Now I have published the report to Tableau server. Now this is the report, right? Now here I am going to open it. Once I will open it, it's not going to display any data. See here, the filters is available. If the filters I have selected all, but the visualization is not coming up because none of the users is part of any group in Tableau server. If I will go to explore, now I am going to users. See here, we are having 3 users, but they are all part of like, you can see like, let me go to groups. You guys can observe here. You can see all users means this is a default group as I said. Okay. See in this group we are having 3 users, whomever we have seen in the under users. Now the central region, east, south, west region is having 0 users. Now first, now for example, now your manager asked you to like add 5 users into central group. Now what you are going to do is just you can go to, you can click on this central group. This is the one way, or you can go to users and you can click on this. For example, now I am going to click on these 3 dots and group membership. Here, right, all the groups will be displayed. Now for Cassandra, I am going to give central region access. I am clicking on OK. Now Cassandra is part of central group. Means whenever he is going to log in into server, whenever he will logs in, then automatically he can able to see the central region from the dashboard which we have published. Okay. Now I am clicking on save. This person can be part of many groups, guys. Now I am going to give Madala Krishna another group. Just I am going to select East region. Now for like Central East I have given, South and West I am not going to give. Okay, let me give Tableau training for South region. Okay, this user I am going to give for Central region, like South region. Okay, I am clicking on save. Now now here when I will go to report again, now here I have published into samples. Now you can see the user filter. Now if I will open this report, now what I can able to see South region data, because for this user I have given access. Now if I will select the filter, now you can see, yeah, am I given correct or not for this user? Like let me refresh it. Okay, now let me try with the another user. Like while publishing, have I, yeah, I select all the options or not? Let me go back here. Okay, no problem, that is correct. Now I am going to log in with another user. Okay, let's go to another window. Like let me copy the URL from there. Just I am going to select copy. Let's go back to another window. Just I am clicking opening that report. Here I am going to enter the another user details. Now you can see here, now as I have given now East region data it is displaying. If I will select Central, South, West also, it is not going to display the remaining regions data. It is going to display only East region data, because here if we'll go to another browser window here, let's go to Explorer here. What I have given, if I'll go to group, okay, if I will go here like East region, now for which user I have given access, Madala Krishna. So this is the username. So say with the same username I have logged in, so I can able to see only East related information. I am not able to see another regions information after I selected all the regions also. Okay, now just we will test another user like whichever we have provided. Now like here I am going to just, okay, I am going to use same URL. So for another user we have given access, like I think for this user just I am giving the username and the password. Mhm. Sorry guys, something. So let me check is this user are correct not which we have provided. Yeah, like central region, right? So if I will go central region, okay, sorry, this is the username. We are trying with different users, so that's why we are not able to log in. Now let me change the username. Now I am going to enter the password. Okay, now automatically which data it has to show? It has to show the central region information. Now you can see it is displaying the central region information. By default is selected central region. If I will select east, south, west also, it is not going to display any data, because we have given the condition in the Tableau desktop level. While publishing, we have created a set and we have say this is the set, this is the filter we are using. So according to this filter it is working out. Okay, this is how we can create a user filters in Tableau. Guys, be careful whenever any person will ask in interview what is the mean by user filter and what is the use of user filter. Be confident, user filter is used to implement the row level security. Okay, so user filters, right? So we are having some like user functions in Tableau. So in the next session we are going to learn what all are the different user functions is available in Tableau. So those user functions also like will be helpful to give the permissions. Okay, we will explain in the next session, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.